Yeah, so I'm out here at the Hudson Hall with Engineers Against Apartheid. Today we are protesting the Reindusrialize expo that is hosting multiple military tech companies. A lot of these companies are associated with the genocide currently ongoing in Gaza, and they're trying to bring that tech here to the United States to use on immigrants and on American citizens. So over the last 2 years, this government has created a consent from the American base to commit a genocide against Palestinians so that companies like Palantir, Anduril, General Dynamics could all test their weapons and their military tech on a civilian population. They have almost completely destroyed Gaza, which is circled around by a gate. It's a 26-mile long strip, and they have been constantly bombing and using these drones on these innocent civilians. Again, companies like Palantir, Anduril, General Dynamics, Raytheon Technologies, and they're all attending this tech here to advertise this tech to bring here to America. So the Trump administration has also just signed a contract with Palantir to build a database on all American citizens. What it's going to do, it's going to take your name, it's going to take where you work, where you live, it's going to track what you say, what you do, where you move. And this is what they're trying to build. They're building a surveillance state. So whenever you step out of line, they'll know exactly who you are and they'll know exactly what you're doing. So we're out here to reject. We're here to reject the genocide that we're contributing to. We're youth. We're called Engineers Against Apartheid. We're in the automotive industry. We're in the plants. We're engineers. We're tech workers. We refuse to have our work contributing to constant destruction in our stores so these billionaires can continue filling their profit. They've tried to make us seem like we're the enemies of each other, but they're the real enemies. They're the people that are separating us from each other. They're making us think, oh, these people are like this, these people are like that. But no, the working class have the power, and we're trying to bring that back to realization because Detroit has an amazing organizing history in the 60s and 70s. We just read about them on the League of Revolutionary Black Workers in the 60s and 70s who organized against like GM and Ford. So we're learning from them, and we're trying to organize and bring that power back to the working class in Detroit and across Michigan to reject these companies trying to monopolize the market and take away our jobs. Already so many workers at GM and Ford have lost their jobs in the last 2 years. We're counting 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people. We have people in our group that have lost their jobs. So we're sick and tired of what they're trying to make normal, and we reject it, and we're out here to say, no, we don't accept.